Most Massachusetts drivers assume that their auto insurance covers everything that happens with their car. It does not. And the things it does not cover, those are the situations that can cost you thousands of dollars out of pocket. Today I'm going to walk you through the biggest exclusions and gaps in Massachusetts auto insurance, so you know what you are not covered for before you find out the hard way. I'm Carlos Vargas, the founder of Vargas & Vargas Insurance, and we have seen too many Massachusetts drivers blindsided by these exclusions. So let us start with the obvious one. Your insurance does not cover intentional damage. If you deliberately damage your own vehicle, this is not covered. If you intentionally cause an accident, your insurance will not pay. It seems straightforward, but I mention it because many people sometimes think that they can stage an accident and get a new car. That is fraud, and insurance companies investigate suspicious claims very carefully. What catches people off guard is when family members intentionally damage a vehicle. If your teenager gets angry and keys your car, that is intentional damage by a household member, and some policies will not cover it. And this is a huge one in Massachusetts right now. If you use your personal vehicle for rideshare, Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash, and Instacart, your personal auto policy will not cover you while you are on the job. Your personal policy covers your personal use. The moment you turn on that rideshare app and you're waiting for a passenger or delivery, you have crossed into commercial use. And if you're in an accident during that time, your personal insurance policy can deny your claim. Uber and Lyft provide some coverage while you are actively transporting passengers, but there are gaps, especially during the time where your app is on but you have not accepted a ride yet. If you do any rideshare driving in Massachusetts, you need a rideshare endorsement on your personal policy. It costs a little extra, but it fills that gap and keeps you protected. And the same goes for other business use. If you use your personal vehicle to make deliveries for your business, drive clients around, or anything else commercial, talk to your insurance broker. Personal auto insurance is for personal use. If you take your car to a track day, kind of racing, or engage in reckless activity, your insurance does not cover that. This includes organized racing, time trials, and even some high-performance driving schools. If your vehicle is damaged during these activities, and if you are into track days, there are specialty insurers who offer track day coverage. Your regular Massachusetts auto policy will not cover it. Your auto insurance is for sudden and accidental damage, not for wear and tear. Your engine dying because it has 200,000 miles on it, not covered. Your transmission failing from normal use, also not covered. Rust from Massachusetts roads, salt eating through your rocker panels, not covered. Insurance covers damage from covered events, collisions, thefts, vandalism, weather, and hitting a deer. It does not cover maintenance issues or parts wearing out from normal use. This is why regular vehicle maintenance matters. Insurance will not bail you out if your timing belt snaps because you haven't replaced it. Here is one that surprises a lot of Massachusetts drivers. Your auto insurance does not cover personal belongings stolen in your car. If someone breaks into your car in a parking garage and steals your laptop, your golf clubs, your camera equipment, that is not covered by your auto insurance. Your auto policy covers the car itself, but not what's in it. The good news is that your homeowners, renters, or condo policy will cover those items, subject to your deductible. But if you do not have homeowners or renters insurance, and a lot of people do not, those stolen items are a total loss. And do not leave valuables visible in your car. Break-ins are common all over the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And if you are driving a finance vehicle or something with modifications, you might have coverage gaps that you are not aware of. Gap coverage, or loan lease payoff coverage, pays the difference between what your insurance pays for a total vehicle and what you still owe on your loan or lease. If you owe $25,000 on a car that is only worth $18,000, gap coverage pays the $7,000 difference. Without it, you are paying off a car that you no longer drive. Aftermarket parts and modifications are not covered unless you specifically add coverage for them. And if you have put custom wheels, a sound system, or performance parts on your vehicle, check your policy. Standard coverage usually only pays for factory original equipment. Classic cars and collectibles need specialty coverage also. A standard auto policy values your car at actual cash value, what it would sell for today. But that classic Mustang that is worth $80,000 to a collector might only get the value of $10,000 by a standard policy because that is what the book says it's worth. You need agreed coverage value for collector vehicles. If you let someone drive your car and they do not have a valid license, any resulting claim could be denied. This includes licenses that are suspended, revoked, or expired, or never obtained in the first place. It includes permits if the permit holder is driving without a required licensed driver present. Your insurance expects that drivers of your vehicle are legally licensed to drive. If you lend your car to someone and they get into an accident, one of the first things the insurance company checks is whether they are licensed. If not, you're not covered. Be careful who you let drive your car. In Massachusetts, insurance follows the car first, then the driver, so your insurance is on the hook. But if the driver was not legally licensed, your insurance might not pay. So those are the major exclusions: intentional damage, business and rideshare use, racing, wear and tear, and belongings in the car, coverage gaps with loans and modifications, and unlicensed drivers. Knowing these exclusions helps you avoid surprises, and many of these gaps can be filled with endorsement or additional coverage. Next up, I'm going to show you how to actually read your Massachusetts Auto Deck page, the document that tells you exactly what coverage you have. It is organized differently here than other states with our Parts 1 through 7 system, and understanding it is the key to knowing whether you are protected. I will link that video above. And if you'd like us to review your coverage and identify any gaps, you can book a free coverage review. The contact information is in the description of this video. Remember, stay informed and stay properly protected. I'm Carlos Vargas from Vargas Insurance. I'll see you in the next video.